Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I am going to show you what this great little awesome cube can actually become. It's a fan from Nenkoo. Check this out. This fan is compact and has so many different functions. You can use it as just a fan for your desk. You can use it with a different height in the middle or for a standing fan. And it oscillates, all by the use of a remote control if you desire. It has a timer and it has multiple settings so you can have it whisper quiet or increase that fan speed if you need it. I really love how compact it is and how it folds up so that you can store it or just keep it on the side for when you need it. The fan, as I mentioned, is super quiet. So I really like that I could use this on meetings if I needed to, and I feel like it would not create a big disturbance in the background. I also really love that it comes with a remote control and it's completely operated just by charging it up with the included USB cord. So you don't have to worry about having space for it or from it being too far away from your outlets. This fan is so multifunctional and quiet and gives such a great breeze. It will definitely be useful for anyone that needs a cool breeze coming their way, and that's my point of view.